Good morning all students, how are you? Welcome on online classes. Today we will discuss of chapter 13, exercise 13.7. Okay. In exercise 13.7 we will discuss that what is the volume of the cone, how we will find out the volume of the cone, that we will discuss in exercise 13.7. In previous lecture of lecture 12th of 9th class, we already discussed the question based on the volume of the cylinder and the hollow cylinder. So today lecture we will discuss volume of cone. So exercise 13.7, volume of right circular cone. So what is the volume of the right circular cone, students? Firstly, you already discussed that volume is meaning that the capacity of the solid. What is the capacity of the solid? That can be expressed as the volume. A right circular cone A, B, C. Height and base radius. R is the base radius, H is the height, and L is the slant height. So what is the volume? So volume of cone is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So what is the volume of the cone? 1 upon 3 multiplied by the pi r square h is the volume of the right circular cone. We can write volume of cone is equals to 1 upon 3 multiplied by the pi r square h. That is the volume of cone. Will come either in centimeter cube or meter cube. So volume of cone is equals to 1 upon 3 multiplied pi r square h. Our volume of cone is 1 upon 3. Pi r square is nothing but we can write down the volume of the cylinder or not. पाई आर स्क्वायर इसको आप क्या राइट कर सकते हो? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर. सो दैट कैन बी रिटन एज वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर. सो व्हाट वी ऑब्जर्व हियर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ कॉन टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल्स टू 1 upon 3. So the ratio of the volume of cone to the volume of cylinder is 1:3 if their height is same and their radius is same. Condition for if their height and radius are equal. If their height and radius are equal, then the ratio of the volume of cone to the volume of the cylinder is 1:3 will come. Understand? Now next, now we will discuss the question, general question based on the cone. How we will find out the volume. Question is that find the volume of cone whose base area is 27 centimeter square and height is 3 centimeter. So friends, we will find out here the volume of the cone. For that, base area is given to you 27 centimeter square and height of the cone is given to you 3 centimeter. Then how we will find out? Cone A, B and C. In that right circular cone, height is 3 centimeter. Now what is given to you? Their base area. एंड व्हाट इज द बेस इन केस ऑफ कॉन, कॉन के केस में बेस क्या होता है, सर्किल. सो हियर स्टूडेंट्स गिवन टू यू पाई आर स्क्वायर एज इज 27 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड सेकेंड इज हाइट इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. Base area is pi r square is 27 centimeter square, height is 3 centimeter. Now we know that volume of cone is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 multiply by pi r square h. What is the value of pi r square? 27 multiply 3, 3 cancel, 27 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of the cube. So understand first type question easy है. First type question क्या है आपका? If their base area is given to you. Next, if and height of the right circular cone is given to you, then easily we can find out the volume of the right circular cone. Okay. Now second type question देखो. In second type question, suppose in that question given to you, if the radius of cone is 12 centimeter and slant height of cone is 13 centimeter, then find the volume of cone. So students, here how we will find out the volume of the cone? Here given to you slant height. Second thing is given to you here the radius of the cone. Then how we will find out the volume of the cone? We know that what is the volume of the cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So to calculate the volume of the cone, here we require two things. First is the radius of the cone and second is the height of the cone. But here radius of the cone is given to you 12 centimeter, but height is not mentioned. So firstly we will find out the height. So what is given to you? Base radius is 12 centimeter and slant height is 13 centimeter. But we know one formula, L square is equals to R square plus H square. Slant height square is equals to R square plus H square. So L square 13 square is equals to H square plus 12 square. 13 square 169, H square plus 144. So H square is 169 minus 144. H square is 25. So H is equals to under root 25. H is 5 centimeter. So what is the height of the right circular cone? The height of the right circular cone is the 5 centimeter. Understand? After that, radius we know, height we know, then easily we can calculate the volume. So volume V is equals to 1 upon 3, 22 upon 7, radius R. What is the value of R? 12 multiplied by the 5. So that is the volume. 12 110 multiply 144 divide 21 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the right circular cone. Understand? Easily you can find out. आपको क्या था students? Radius is given to you and slant height of the right circular cone is given to you. So using the formula L square is equals to H square plus R square, we can easily find out the height of the right circular cone. After finding out the height of the right circular cone, we can easily find out the volume of the cone using formula 1/3 pi r square h. Understand? Now in a next type of question, suppose a right angled triangle is given to you. Okay, आपको एक right angle triangle given है. Now that right angle triangle is revolving first either its base, second or along its any side. Right angle triangle given है. अब उस right angle triangle को या तो आपने किसके along revolve किया है, base के along revolve किया है, या फिर उसको perpendicular के along revolve किया है. So question is that a right angle triangle ABC, in that right angle triangle AC is 13 centimeter and that is 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. When we are revolving that right triangle along the side AB, when we are revolving about the side AB, then find the volume of cone. When we are revolving that right angle triangle along the side AB, then how we will find out the volume of the cone. आपने क्या किया है, इसको साइड AB के along revolve किया, right? But when we are revolving about side AB, then we are forming cone. So for that cone, what is the height, what is the radius? If we know, then what is the height and what is the radius, then easily we can find out. So now we are forming here cone. यहाँ पे क्या फॉर्म किया है, कौन फॉर्म किया है, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल A B C and point is C dash. So we are revolving about side AB, so that revolving side is the 5 centimeter height, 12 centimeter base radius and 13 centimeter is the slant height. Meaning is that the side which we revolving along, that become the height of the cone. Remaining side is the radius of the cone and the largest side is always the slant height of the cone. Understand? Meaning क्या है इसका? Sorry for disturbance. जिस साइड के अलोंग क्या कर रहे हो, आप रिवॉल्व कर रहे हो, दैट साइड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द हाइट ऑफ द कॉन. लार्जेस्ट साइड इज ऑलवेज द स्लेंट हाइट ऑफ द कॉन एंड थर्ड वन इज द रिमेनिंग साइड इज द रेडियस ऑफ द कॉन. सो हियर what is the height? H is the 5 centimeter and what is the radius is the 12 centimeter. Radius क्या बनेगी स्ट्रेंथ 12 centimeter and what is the height is 5 centimeter. Then easily we can find out the volume. Now volume V is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. Substitute the value V 1/3 22/7 12 multiplied by the 5. So 110 multiply 144/21 centimeter. So understand that concept. If a right angle triangle is given to you and when we are revolving that right angle triangle along any side except the hypotenuse, अभी hypotenuse के regarding discuss नहीं कर. So if a right angle triangle is given to you, and we are revolving that right angle triangle about any side, either the base or the perpendicular, then in that case the side along which we are revolving that converted into the height of the cone. Remaining side is the base of the cone. Base of the cone meaning is that radius of the cone. And third one, which is the larger side, become the slant height of the cone. Understand? Any problem? So that is the very very important question. इसी में सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या फॉर्म हो सकता है? ABC is a right angle triangle in which AB is 5 centimeter, BC is the 12 centimeter, and AC is the 13 centimeter. When we are revolving about the side BC, then find the volume of the cone. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में क्या किया आपने? इसको किसके अलोंग रिवॉल्व किया है? वी आर रिवॉल्विंग अबाउट द साइड BC. What is the value of BC? 12 centimeter. So in diagram, what changes will come? Here will come A, B and C. That become 5, 12 and slant height remain as it is. Slant height आपकी as it is form होगी नहीं होगी? Slant height become the as it is. So for in that case, the radius become the 5 centimeter. Second thing, height become the 12 centimeter and slant height same as it is 13 centimeter. Now height क्या बनेगी? 12 centimeter, radius is 5 centimeter. Solve using the cone formula 1/3 pi r square. Okay, understand? So right angle triangle को आप किसी भी साइड के लॉन्ग रिवॉल्व कर रहे हो, then we are forming a cone. Then we can find out easily the total surface area of the cone also, the curved surface area of the cone also, and the volume of the cone also. Question स्टूडेंट इसमें ये भी हो सकता है. First question is that complete. Second question, when we are revolving about the side BC, then find out the volume. Also find out the volume of the both cones in both cases. आपको रेशियो भी कैलकुलेट करना हो सकता है, फाइंड आउट करना हो सकता है. When firstly when revolving about AB, second when revolving about the BC. जब AB के along रिवॉल्व किया है, then what is the volume? BC के along रिवॉल्व किया है, then what is the volume? Understand? So in today lecture we discuss about how we will find out the volume of the right circular cone using formula 1/3 pi r square. अब इसमें क्वेश्चंस क्या क्या फॉर्म हो सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? आपको डायरेक्टली रेडियस ऑफ द कोन गिवन है, हाइट ऑफ द कोन गिवन है, देन इजीली यू कैन फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन. सेकंड टाइप, if their base area is given, their height is given, then volume of the cone. Third type question, radius is given, slant height of the cone is given, then how we will find out the volume? Using formula L square is equals to R square plus H square. Firstly we will find out their height. Slant height given है, with the help of slant height we can find out the height of the right circular cone. Then after using formula we can easily find out the volume of the right circular cone. और many more questions क्या हो सकते हैं आपके पास? Suppose the total surface area of the cone is given to you and the curved surface area of the cone is also given to you. Then find the volume of the cone. TSA of cone is given, CSA of cone is given. Then how we will find out the volume of the cone? So what is the total surface area of the cone? और total surface area of the cone क्या होता है? Pi r bracket L plus r. तो TSA given, CSA given. From there we can easily find out the radius. आपको किसकी वैल्यू given है? Pi r square plus pi r L. Value is given or not? Value is given. In second type, how we will find out? R square, R find out कर लिया, L. Then R value we will substitute in TSA formula. L we get, R we know, L we know. Then easily we can find out the H value. Understand? So today lecture that is all about the right circular cone. So after watching that video, you all students, you have to completed exercise 13.7 with example. Some technical problems, the words are not clearly visible, that's for sorry. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss that how we will find out the volume of the sphere and the hemisphere, that we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.